That opening scene, yeah, that was me, my AI clone. And I made all of that in minutes using Seedance 2.0 inside of TopView AI. No crew, no casting, and no giant production. Just me, a laptop, and an AI video generator. And in this video, I am showing you 5 AI side hustles and ways to make money with AI video using TopView AI and Seedance 2.0. So now, before anybody gets too excited and starts planning their millionaire speech, let me say this first. This is not instant money. This is not click a button and sit back and suddenly your bills are paid. There's still some testing. And yes, there will absolutely be moments where one scene refuses to act right and you just want to close your laptop and throw it against the wall or just go for a walk, because that part's real too. But if you want to learn how to make money with AI in a way that actually makes sense, there are some real opportunities here. So let's get into it. I run a creative agency, so I'm always looking at things through one lens. Can this actually help somebody make money? Can this help a business grow? Can it help a creator create faster without losing their mind? Because there are a lot of tools out there looking cute and doing nothing. Now, this has some real use cases. So today, I'm walking you through 5 AI miniseries, AI UGC for e-commerce, hybrid UGC, local business content, and real estate content. And in the middle, I'll show you the TopView AI tutorial. So let's start with the one you just saw. Number 1 is exactly what opened this video: an AI miniseries, short episodes, drama, action, romance, sci-fi, whatever lane you want to build in. This is interesting because TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram love content that makes people come back for the next part. You're not just posting random video, you are building a reason for people to follow you. Because once you start getting attention, there are a few ways to make that attention useful. 1, affiliate links. People want to know how you made it, what tools you use, what prompts you use, what workflow you use. 2, your product. You can sell your prompts, your packs, your processes, your templates, your behind the scenes system. And 3, creator monetization. If you qualify, you can get paid from your digital product and being monetized on the platform. That's a win. So now one type of content can open multiple doors. So let me say this too. This one can take a minute. You might post a few parts of your series before anything starts to move. That doesn't mean it's not working. It means you're building something. And honestly, that's where most people quit too soon. They want part 1 to change their life by dinner. And that's just not how it works. But if you stay with an AI miniseries, can become a real audience builder and a strong form of faceless content creation. Now, let me show you the workflow behind all of this, because once you learn that part, you can actually use it across everything else in this video. So here's a workflow inside of TopView AI. So you start in the video agent area. You can browse ideas there if you want, or you can go straight and start your own. Then paste in your prompt. And if your prompt isn't amazing yet, that's fine. The agent can help improve it. That alone saves people so much time. Then you choose your aspect ratio and your resolution and your video length. So do that first so you're not backtracking later. Then this is the big one. Use multi-scene projects. Now that's where things start to look more like a story and less like a lonely clip trying its best. That's how you can easily create your miniseries. Connect multiple shots instead of just one action scene and you are putting it all together in another platform. That's also how you create a more cinematic AI video instead of a basic one-shot clip. And after that, choose your mode and generate. And for most people, the faster option is probably going to make the most sense over the free option, because that honestly can take hours. After that, choose your mode. If you want to be free and unlimited, or if you want to use your credits, and generate. So let's talk about pricing. Here are some highly competitive entry-level pricing. Keep in mind, these are starter numbers and you grow from here. Option A, a one-time package, 3 to 5 videos. $750 to $1,200. Option B, a monthly retainer, 4 to 8 videos a month, $900 to $1,800. Option C is your promotional play, where you create sample videos for free. You post it on your channel, you use it as proof to build more clients, and you get better along the way. The skill you're building compounds. And it's not instant, but it's absolutely worth it. You actually get to choose your salary. You get to choose how much you want to make in your side gig based upon how much you can create. Now let's talk about the part that makes the biggest difference, your prompts, because this is where people mess up and then blame the tool. If your prompt is vague, your output is probably going to be generic. And if you want stronger results from an AI video generator, you need to guide it with lighting, motion, camera angle, emotion, pacing. Now that's what changes the result. And honestly, one of the smartest things you can do is use the ideas that are already existing inside of the platform and tweak them to match your vision. You don't need to start from scratch with every single angle every time. So please stop making your life harder than it needs to be. Use what's already there, adjust it, make it yours, and move on. And once you understand that, this gets a whole lot easier. Now let's get into the next income path. Number 2 is AI UGC for e-commerce. Now this one is one of the easiest to understand because brands always need content, product demos, lifestyle clips, problem solution videos, quick hooks, short ads. They need e-commerce video ads constantly. And a lot of them don't have the time, the people, or the patience to keep producing it the old way.
This is the most versatile suitcase I've ever used. It has a cup holder, phone stand, and even charges my devices on the go.
So this gives you a way to create polished AI UGC, build a portfolio, and pitch brands with something that they can actually see. And that matters because brands aren't buying your potential, they're buying what looks useful to them right now. That's why showing beats explaining every single time. And yes, I think it's smart to be upfront that your process is AI assisted. The right brands will be interested in. The wrong ones can stay confused somewhere else. And that part is fine. The point is, this gives creators another way to deliver AI UGC for e-commerce without needing to film every single thing from scratch. Number 3, hybrid UGC. Now, this one is probably the sweet spot for a lot of people because maybe you want the speed of AI, but you still want your content to feel human. So this is where AI visuals plus your real voice can work really well. So maybe the visuals are created inside of TopView AI, but the voiceover is still you. Like in this example.
If you ever watched a baby on the bed and immediately imagine the worst, same. This side sleeper made me feel so much better. And honestly, every babysitter needs one.
That gives the content more warmth, more personality, more trust. And it can be a great option when you want faster AI content without sounding disconnected from the final piece. Real talk, this is a great backup plan for those days when the visuals are being extra and nothing is coming out the way you want. So hybrid UGC gives you another lane. And sometimes another lane is all you need. So quick pause. If you want the prompts and the extra behind the scene tips, they're in my free newsletter. The link is in the description. So let's keep going. Number 4 is your local business content. Salons, pet groomers, nail studios, med spas, local shops. These businesses need short form content all the time. And most of them are either too busy to make it, inconsistent with posting, or putting up things that aren't actually helping them at all. So here's the move. Create a short example for the type of business that you want to work with. Something simple, something polished, something that helps them immediately see what's possible. Then you use that as a pitch. You can turn that into a one-time package, or you can turn it into monthly local business content. Or you can use one sample as proof and go pitch it to 5 more businesses in that category. Now, this is where it gets interesting because once you get that one yes, it's so much easier to get the next one. That's the truth in almost everything. The first one makes it believable. The next ones build momentum. Now, for local businesses, this can become social content, promo videos, or even an AI commercial style clip that they can use online. Number 5 is real estate content.
If you're looking for your dream home with a big kitchen, let me show you this beautiful property. Great sense of space, and the best part is You can get a 3.99% interest rate now. Contact me today.
This one has recurring income potential, just like the local businesses, because agents in real estate teams always need fresh listing content, brand content, and short form video. Every listing needs attention. Every property needs visuals, and every agent wants to stand out. So, if you can create content that makes a listing feel more premium, more interesting, more worth clicking, that is valuable. Very valuable. You can create cinematic AI video listings. You can create lifestyle visuals. You can even create an AI avatar style agent depending on the direction they want to go. And the reason I like this one is because it's not just one video. One solid real estate client can turn into ongoing monthly work if they're active. Now, that's where this starts looking less like a side hustle and more like a real offer. So, real talk. Let me say this part nobody likes hearing, but everybody needs to hear. AI is a tool. It's not a magic button. It can help you move faster, it can help you create more, and it can help you test ideas without needing a full setup every time. But it still takes vision, it still takes patience, and it still takes trial and error. So, will there be moments where a scene doesn't come out right? You will rerun things, you will tweak prompts, you will wonder why the platform just gave you something that has absolutely nothing to do with what you asked for. That's all normal. That doesn't mean this doesn't work. It means you're learning how to direct it. And that is a skill that people who keep going usually get better results. Not because they got lucky, but because they stayed with it long enough to learn the rhythm. And if you really want to make money with AI, that matters more than people want to admit. So let's recap. AI hustle number one, AI mini series can help you build your attention and turn that into multiple income paths. Number two, AI UGC for e-commerce can help you create brand ready content for products in online stores. Number three, hybrid UGC gives you the speed of AI with the trust of your real voice. Side hustle number four, local businesses content is a real service opportunity for you to package in the right way. Number five, real estate content can turn into premium recurring work with the right client. So if you want to jump in and get started for free, click the link below to try Seedance now. And if you're trying to figure out how to make money with AI, build an AI side hustle, or use AI influencers and AI avatars in a way that actually makes sense, tell me in the comments which one you'd actually try first. I'm Bree, and this channel is all about AI side hustles, AI content creation, and building real income with tools that actually help. So if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's grow.